with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Bolts to the Wall Trading. I hope you guys are having a nice day. This is going to be my watch list video for December 14th, 2017. For those new viewers and for those people that have been following me for a while, this is a channel that I created to share my experiences in the stock market and to encourage people to trade. So if you're interested in trading, please check out my videos, and if you like what you see, please subscribe and like, and just tag along for the journey that is trading. I do have a chat room, a free chat room in the Discord app, where we discuss trade, stocks, and anything that has to do with the stock market. I'm going to leave the link to that chat room in the description of this video. I also have social media accounts, which I'll also leave my handle on the description of this video. Before I get into the watch list, I just want to let you know I'm not a financial planner or a financial advisor. Everything that I discuss on here is just my personal opinion. By no means does it mean you need to invest in what I'm investing or think the way I think, or if I pick out a stock that means that you have to like it. By no means. You do your own research. You're gonna like something, and maybe I don't like it. That's what trading is. At the end of the day, nobody knows what's gonna happen. It's just what looks good to you. It might not look good to me, and that's fine. So please do your own research before investing in anything. As I've stated in the last videos, I'm going to be doing a day trading section of the video, and then I'm going into swing trading, and then I'm going to see if there's any requests through the chat room for me to check out any stocks and just give you guys my thoughts on it. So let's get started with the stocks for day trading. So that wasn't it right there. So I have this stock right here, which I was just looking at. It had the most the highest volume, 49 million in the volume, and it's Bitcoin Services, and it's an OTC stock, which I don't handle OTC, but I just kind of want to show you what people are doing nowadays. So this stock went from 32 cents to 42 cents and back down to 30, just because it has the name Bitcoin. If people would do their research, they'll see that this stock only has one employee. So, I mean, think about that, guys. Would you invest in a stock that only has one employee? I mean, it's crazy. So all these people are jacking up this price just because they see the name Bitcoin, but they don't do their research. It's ridiculous. So anyways, sorry about that. Let's go into the day trading watch list. So the first one I have is AQMS. And as always, we trade the pre-market high, previous day high, or intraday high, and we're looking for high volume. So let me change my tool here. So AQMS, it reached a high of 211, so that's where we draw our line. And with all these stocks, we want the price to come up, cross this line with high volume, and hopefully the price will keep going up. That's what momentum trading is all about. That's a day trading pattern that I like to do. So the next one, AXOM. Is it OM or ON? I think it's ON. Alright, here's another one. 570 is the high, so that's where we draw the line, our resistance line. So as you can tell, towards the end of the day, it came close. It got rejected, and it looks like it's going to try to come back up to 570 again to test it. BCRX. 513 right there. This one, after that gap up, it went down, but hopefully it can recover. It looks like it had nice volume after the day ended, so keep an eye on that one. FRAN at 690. But again, remember, it's very close to the whole dollar number of $7, so I'll put a line on there as well. ELTK at 582. 582. I'll put it right there. But also be cautious that it's close to $6 as well. So put a line right there. Just keep that in mind. FSM. Same thing here. This one's at 497. I'm going to put it at 5 instead of 497. AGI. This one's at 646. I'm going to put my line at 650 for the $0.50 amount. I want to see it go past 650 first before I do anything. CUR 224. GROW. So this one's been up and down, but there's a clear resistance right here at 586. And that's the reason why I picked this one. Chart doesn't look all that great today, the second half of the day, but the reason I picked it is because of that clear resistance. Look how many times it's crashed into 586 and has gone straight down after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times it's tested this 586 line and it hasn't been able to get through. So when it finally does break through, this could be a good one. So keep that in mind. It might not break it tomorrow, but eventually it will, and when it does, look out. AU at 551. I like this one because it broke past the $0.50 mark at 950. So if it breaks again through 951, which is very close, it could be a good one. AEMD at 157. AG it's at 742. I'm going to put the line at 750 again because of the $0.50 amount. BTG 288. Also be advised that it's close to $3, so you might want to put a line right there as well. And DPW is the last one. 595. I would want this at $6, so I'll put it around there. So again, just because I have these stocks doesn't mean they're going to perform tomorrow. I like to look at these stocks in the morning, see how the volume is looking before the market opens, and if they have high volume, I will keep up with them and see how they perform. If they do not have high volume in the morning, I don't even bother looking at them. I only trade high volume, and usually I trade stocks that have high volume in the pre-market. So those are the ones that I will continue to look at when the market opens. So that's just my personal strategy. Does not mean that you need to do the same. Everybody usually has a different strategy, but this is what works for me, and you know, if it works, why change it? So now I'm gonna move over to the swing trade part of things. Let me get my setup here, and I will go over some trades that I did today, some swing trades, some paper trade swing trades that I did. Alright, any day now. I think it's A set. Yeah, alright, so where's my list here? So if you've been watching my videos, you know that I've been really looking into swing trading. So for right now, I'm paper trading a lot when it comes to swing trading, because I'm looking at different patterns and just figuring out a routine and techniques that yield results. So I rather lose fake money than to lose real money. So that's why I've been paper trading these. So NVAX is the one that, or one of the ones that I paper traded today, and quite simple right here. You see this stock was coming down, it bounced at 126, came back up, and it looks like it bounced again. So I got in right here, and I'm looking for this to keep going up just like it did right here. So a bounce up, and I'm looking for another bounce up. Next one, ROX. So this was on a pretty good and long downtrend, but today's candle broke that downtrend right here and it closed above, so I got in right there. So in theory what that means is that this candle broke this trend and it should go up a little bit more, but again, nothing is guaranteed in the stock market. This stock could open up, you know, like right here, a couple cents higher, and then just come crashing down. Nobody knows what it's going to do, but it's all about being comfortable and having a reason as to why you're investing. So if you notice in all my videos, I have a reason as to why I'm investing in some of these or why I'm looking at them. So the reason for this one is because this candle broke through the trend and it closed above the trend. If I would have been looking at this previous days, this candle, it didn't close above. Same thing with this one, same thing with this one, this one kind of broke it, but it came back and it closed inside the trend. So the reasoning for me getting in on this one is not only because it broke the trend, but it closed above the trend. Next one, GTE. Did I get in this one? Let me check my phone. I don't think I got in on this one because from the looks of it, it didn't close above. I think I have it marked because I was watching it to see if it would make a little jump and close above before the market closed, but it didn't. So let me check. Huh. Alright, well, I did get in it, and I don't know why. I shouldn't have done it. This was a bad trade on my behalf, and this is again why I'm paper trading, because this would have made a mistake. Ideally, I wanted the candle to close above. I probably saw this wrong, or I don't know why I bought in on this one, but I shouldn't have. That was a mistake on my part. I didn't follow my rules. But yeah. Next one, AGEN, and this one is the one I'm really excited about. You can see right here why I got in, because of this bounce right here. So here's my support line, and this support goes all the way back to August, and you can see the date right here. So it came down, it bounced, and it bounced again in October, and it bounced again, looks like last month, and hopefully it's now bouncing again. So it's hit this line several times. So as soon as I saw this green candle today, I said, okay, it's had consecutive red candles, it's hitting that support line, green candle for the day. It looks like a clear bounce, so I got in, and I'm expecting a nice little bounce to get some nice little profits. And I think there was one more. Nope, I guess that's it. So let me check the chat room app just to see if anybody requested anything. Nope, no requests. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it there. I hope you guys are learning from these videos. I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the bounce plays or breaking out of the trends. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask or join the chat room and ask. If you enjoy these videos, if you're learning, if my videos are making trading seem easier, then please do me a huge favor and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And that's about it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for the support. Have a great night, and check back in tomorrow for another video. Have a good one.